Hi everyone. So in the last video, we created a calendar called as IT Building Calendar, which was based on 6 days of work week and 10 hours. So in this particular video, we will be assigning that particular calendar to all the activities in our project. Since all the activities as per the presentation are based on the same calendar, so every activity will be assigned the same calendar only. So how to assign the calendar to all the activities? So you just need to open the activities tab. The activities tab will automatically open when you open the project. How to open the project? This we have already discussed. So let us not discuss that again. So you need to open the detailed view and you see that there is one option called as activity calendar. Right now, this activity calendar has standard 5-day work week for all the activities. If you switch on the activities, different activities, you will see every activity has been assigned the same calendar only. But you need to change this calendar. Since every activity needs to be assigned the IT building calendar, which we created, as you can see here in the calendars, we have this IT building calendar. So we need to assign this calendar to all the activities. So there is one shortcut for this. Instead of going to every activity and choosing this particular calendar of IT and then assigning this, we can do what we can do is we can go and customize the columns here, and we can add the option of calendars here itself. So we will search calendar and we will move this particular column after the activity name and we will click on OK. So now you can see the calendar option has been displayed here, and everywhere you can see the standard 5-day work week. So for the first column itself, let us change it to IT building calendar, but you will see one very significant change in the duration of the activities. See, while we created the activities and when we assigned the dates and duration to the activity, it took the Primavera P6 software took the duration and everything based on 5-day work week. 5-day work week in the sense 5 days and 8 hours. That means 40 hours of work in a single week. But if we will change this calendar to IT calendar, which is based on 10 hours per day and 6 days in a week, which is equivalent to 60 hours per week, you will see a change in the original duration of the activity. Let us see. So we will click on this and we will choose IT building calendar. Now you see, instead of making it as 2 days activity, it has converted it into 1 day activity. Similarly, for one more activity, which is of 6 days, we will apply the change and we will see the same change here also. So instead of making it to 6, it has changed the activity original duration to 4 days with respect to the change in the calendar. So with this, we understand that Primavera P6 takes the duration of the activities based on the calendar itself. Why? Since this calendar is having more number of hours, so that is why it has reduced the duration. So let us first assign all the calendars and then we will change these durations back to normal. For our project, the number of activities are almost 12 or 13. So we can change these particular durations manually also. But for a project, real time project, which has thousands of activities, for that particular project, we cannot manually alter these activity durations once again. So how to do that? There is one trick which we'll be learning. So now, first of all, let us change the calendars everywhere to IT building calendar. How to do this in a shortcut? You just click on this particular IT building calendar and press shift on your keyboard and go to the last activity which you want to change, this one. Right click and fill down or press Ctrl plus E. So everywhere you can see now the calendar has been modified to IT building calendar. This was not possible with the detailed view option. This is only possible when you will add the option of calendar in your main activities tab. So everywhere the duration has changed now, but we want the duration back to basic. So how to do that? You need to go to tools in the tools bar and you need to go to global change option here. This is the global change option here. So what you need to do is you need to add one new global change. See, this particular window of global change is to make changes to certain activities or so many things in one go. You cannot do that manually for all the activities or for all the durations or something like that. So what we do is we create a shortcut here, and that shortcut is created with some logic, and when we apply the changes, for every activity you can observe those changes. So we will add one new thing here. So first of all, the parameter is that activity type. So wherever the activity type is task dependent, see, because these things are task dependent only. Whenever we are choosing a calendar of activity, those activities are task dependent. Resource dependent activities, they have resource calendars. So that is why the value is task dependent. Okay, now we will add one thing here. We'll go on add, and we'll choose the parameter. What we need to change is original duration. So original duration is equal to, we need to change the original duration to original duration multiplied by a custom value, which is nothing but your 60 divided by 40. See, it has made from 6 to 4. So we need to multiply it by 1.5 to make it back to 6. Similarly, for all the durations, we need to multiply it by a factor of 1.5, which is 60 divided by 40. So we will write as 1.5. Okay, so we will click on OK. So this is the new thing that we have created. We can name it also. Let us name it as IT building changes in original duration, OD. Okay, so we have named it. So now we will apply the changes, and we can see now that the duration which was changed to 1 is back to 2 again. Similarly, for activity number 2, which changed from 4, now it is back to 6 again. And for all the respective activities, the duration is back to basic. So we will click on cross, and we will apply the changes from commit changes. Okay, so now you can see that all the durations of the activities is back to basic now. Otherwise, you would have typed all these things manually. So this is how you can assign the calendar to all the activities. See, there was one resource calendar also that was for plastering crew. So that we will assign when we'll be assigning the resources. First, these activities need some resources. Plastering activity needs to be assigned with the plastering crew. Then only we can assign that particular calendar to the plastering gang. So that's all about assigning the calendars to the activities. Similarly, if you want to assign the calendar to the complete project in the starting itself, then you can go to projects tab and default, and here you can change the calendar, but it will not apply the changes to the activities which are already created. It will only apply the changes to the new activities. So you need to do this particular thing in the starting of your project itself when you are just creating your project. So that's all about this video. Thank you, everyone.